What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses, Green Thumb family. Yes, I am back, and I hope you all are having a wonderful, oh so wonderful day so far. And, you know, if you came in contact with this video, I believe you're going to have a great day, okay? So make sure you go ahead and subscribe, smash that like button. If you're into green thumbing, be it indoor plants, outdoor plants, gardening, all those good things, this is where you want to be, and it's a family that we're creating. So go ahead and subscribe. But with that being said, we have a sweet potato harvest that we have to collect. Now, this is a part of my 5-gallon bucket garden. As you can see, I have a raised bed garden as well. And then here's another section of my 5-gallon buckets. However, I have sweet potatoes here, and I have noticed that the leaves of the sweet potato plant has started to wither away, and one could say die. So that is my clear indication that it is time to go ahead and pick these sweet potatoes that are in the 5-gallon bucket. So if you are curious as to how, 5-gallon bucket sweet potatoes are grown, I have a video where I initially planted the slips. I'll put it in the description below. But now we have an actual harvest that we will partake in together visually, right? So let me go ahead and pull the roots up. That's the first step. Get your roots out. Now, what I have seen and heard is that you can actually replant these plants because they will actually grow potatoes on them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get these I'm gonna go ahead and just break them off so that the strong ones I'll replant. So now we have the sweet potatoes in the front. I'm gonna pour it into my wheelbarrow because I will reuse the soil for future sweet potatoes and all that good stuff. I'm gonna make sure I amend the soil, all that good stuff, get it all the nutrients that it needs again so that I can have a nice harvest yet again, right? So just keep those things going. And then after I show you the harvest of the sweet potato, I'm gonna take you back out to the back so I can show you the situation that was going on, which if you're growing sweet potatoes, you do want something that the leaves can attach itself to so that it doesn't just run across the ground and take up a whole bunch of space. But you want to have something like a trellis or something behind where your sweet potatoes are growing so it can grow to it, attach to it, and just do its thing, which I have been told you can eat sweet potato leaves. Obviously mine all died, so I did not get to experience that, but they say it's good. So with that being said, let's go ahead and harvest. I'm gonna take it back to show you what that looked like, and then we'll be done. Okay, let's see. All right, so for my first time growing sweet potatoes, I'm gonna say this is a nice harvest, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I don't have the biggest sweet potatoes, I will say. I do not have the biggest, but I do have sweet potatoes, right? So from one slip, I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 solid sweet potatoes that will feed my family of 4. So that is pretty cool. I think in totality it took about 5 months for it all to take place, from slips being planted to harvest being taken. So hey, plan out about 5 to 6 months and you'll be pleasantly satisfied with what you have in your bucket. So if there are any tips that you can give me, please give me in the comment section below of how I can have bigger sweet potatoes, be it the soil, be it fertilizers, be it watering methods, whatever you have had as far as experience, please let me know. Please let us know so that we can all grow together on this channel with the family, Green Thumb family. And subscribe if you haven't already done so. Okay, sweet potato harvest. Now let's go to the back so that we can see what I was talking about as far as the trellis. Metal post type thingamabobber situations, and the leaves just wrapped itself around. Well, I actually came out here and wrapped the leaves around, but then once I got those things started, then they did what they did and they just wrapped themselves all around. So I believe that I can take a piece of a slip like so, And I'm gonna plant this. I'm gonna plant this slip and see what we get. See if we get, you know, a future sweet potato harvest. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to do that. So make sure you look out for that video. I'll keep you all posted on how that turns out, if that actually works out, to let you know if that is what you can do. Again, this is a leaf that came from the sweet potato plant. So we'll see if we can just plant that and it turns into a slip, that turns into a sweet potato, that turns into a harvest. All right, get you a trellis if you are growing sweet potatoes, and all will be well. Love you, Green Thumb family. Make sure you tune in for the next video, because December calls for December flowers. All right. Love you all. Peace. Boom.